Hola hola. Feri kanjani lapho? Nimnandi bafowethu. Mate. How are you? Long time. It's been a minute. It's been a while. Are you good? I was on check. You used to check up on me. I don't know what stopped you. I wonder, Kema. Hey, Larry, you must stop checking this nigga. Sorry, Kitlo check. You say it because I'm reminding you now. You. Wow, it's so. I'm gonna put the people profile picture, guys. I'm supporting the movement. Coming when EP let drop 21. But I'm promising the thingy. I'm promising you guys what you call pre-save link in few days. I'm also waiting for the pre-save link. Ningawari bafethu ngenani. Ngeniphethe bafethu ningawari. Thank you so much for the roses. Danko. Ow. She senzi usihle. Do you have GTA? Yeah, I have GTA. I have GTA. Otherwise, khamba kanjani? Ngathi nganijayivela. Ngifuna ukugcobisa umlomo ngiyithola again. Angazi ukuthi ngilahle. Hlezi ilahleka, abantu ukugcobisa umlomo hlezi ilahlekile. Mina umlomo wami uvela ube dry fast vele. Exe. How's it there, man? Divine. How's it, bro? Where did I meet you? I think Melville, ne? Me, one thing about my memory, I always remember. How's it, man? How's it? You met at Space? Yeah, at Space. Yeah, I remember now. Was good, G. Izolo bodlala no Bhuki. Ne. Is a K1. Ngomuntu wamakasabhaya, you'll find me in a lot of hood. But yeah, a K1 now yakena mfethu. Code. We're gonna play Code later on. We're gonna play Call of Duty later on. I will try to stream this site on this account. Ula katlego. Chovicho lapho isipantsuleni. Sketla. Ula lapho. What's good? How's Sunday, guys? For sure you guys are sleeping on the chest there. You're sleeping on your main chest. Even you men are chest trapping there. Hey, you guys. Hey Nina, Joe. Nyangpula. omunye ungibukelile la uhleli kanje isifubeni sendoda lapha uhleli uleli kanje sizokhwehlela kuyeleli. How many account? I have a lot of accounts. This is my main account. I have a gaming account. I have a podcast account, I have a music account, I have a business account. So I just have a lot of accounts, you mean. And then handle one thing about me, I can handle my accounts. Wonke anomsebenzi wawo ama account wami. Uphudanko. Ikhona inja yami bafowethu. Oh, I was following the gaming one. Yeah, this one is my main account, which is I started with this account. I know probably you know me with gaming only, but this is my gaming account. I started with this account, comedy, amaskiti, all nje. Do you monetize all of them? It depends which platform we are using. Here on TikTok, obviously it's a marketing, and yeah. And then amanya platform, yes, you have to monetize your accounts. Phela obvious, phela mina ngiphila ngayo le nto mfethu yabo. So ayikhenye into engizothi ngidla ngayo mina. Mama ngifakela imali every month mina. Imali ngiyazenzela. Phuma kimi ukuthi ngiyayenza or kanjani. Angithengelwa next mina, ngiyazithengela yonke into. Yabo nginayo stipend esiphuma ku government or umsebenzi ongibhadalayo every month. There's no salary that giving me money mina. Imali yami ngiyazenzela yona. If ngiyalala then ngiyalamba. Yabo. Vuka uzenzele mfethu. Mina ngivuka ngiyazenzela nje. Mangilindi government nama 350 wakhe lawo angangithandi nokungithanda. Yayibona. Le nto engiyifunayo la. Cabanga ngibambe ngesandla le nto engiyifunayo. Yayazi leyo feeling le. Isakadanko endelesithaso lesengisebenzisa lo. Isaka soup. Sithole epokothini yami. When are you playing code? We're going to play code later on. Awungikabikazi. Bafethu mele ngifake le nto le e-purple man. So that we can mele support yini bafethu. Mele support yini bafethu yabo. Sifake nama profile picture pink bafethu a-purple. Yabo. Support yena abafazi bethu bafethu. Phela lezi njalo lezi ziyahlukumeza ezinye zethu lezi. Yabo so sengivela intshebe emhlophe bafethu ngihlonipheni mina yayibona intshebe emhlophe. You must respect me, I'm old the chief. Ngangibona ngathi ngimncane fere mara yayibona na intshebe emhlophe lapha bafethu mina ngimdala mina. Ngimncane mara ngimdala. Yangibamba nja yami. Ngimdala mina jo. Ejo mina ndoda ngimdala abanye benu. You know that video guys? Do you guys know that video? Abanye benu. Mntanami. Ngoba futhi abanye benu. Hamba noyisearcha neni abanye benu. Nisearcheni kanjalo nizoyithola le video engitshela abanye benu. You're gonna find that video. Don't say it. Khululeka ndana yami ungawari. Ngifuna nje bayisearchela yona bese babuye la kuma comment bangitshela ukuthi baqabangani. Abodokotela basho njalo abanye abanye benu. Ngimdala mina bafana bami ningangideleli. Mawufuna ukuqotisa amajita ne. Hamba ubukela le video leyo iyenze le nto leyo. Zozwa ngeboots. Mntanami. Awe brajobe. It's abnormal without Dlaw. Is he neighbor? Akekho mfethu Dlaw. We just had a long weekend. Ikhathele le and nangaphamela funde yabo. Mala study intwana yami. Yafunda Dlaw yafunda bafethu. Use college so umela mela funde while sisaphusha obviously but bangabuyi bathi hey ndoda uPrajobe ndoda lesi scheme uPrajobe seyeka isigela yabo so hayi no mela chubeke ngengoya nje mina vele hey yeah mela chubeke ngengoya intwana yami that's it bafethu please accept my so you can see who is this yabona phela nomntana sekhaya like my sibling angasho kanjalo bese ngimaccept uyabona kodwa yini le angisho wena lokhu busy la nama TikTok lawo nginaki nabo uncle bami nabo bayangibukela but yeah iseskela le yami iseskela uthi ngimaccept unkabikazi athi inkabikazi Nkabikazi
yebo
unjani
njani
ngiyaphila ubani ubhemi habli lapho ubani ubhemi habli lapho
lana akekho
ushap
ngishaphi wena
angishap ngiyakubona ke manje ushap wena
right
Lashumayela la ungadisturb umuntu omdala ashumayela ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngimdala ngamdisturb umuntu omdala makashumayela sengikubonile ke
right
sharp uphuzani mina bafethi ngumntana kaNkuluNkulu ngiziphuzela icoke mina umntana kaNkuluNkulu ngiziphuzela icoke I meant to see him all the time at school aweza ngikhuthazeni intwana yami kumele ichubeke bafethi lentshebe emhlophe le mina iyangiwarisha hey sengivele intshebe emhlophe ndoda bafethi ningihlonipheni mina ngiyantshela ngimdala bafethi fere yabona ngathi ngimncane mara ngimdala yabo ngimncane mara ngimdala kabi mina bafethu ngimdala kabi muhle lo mfazi bafethi abafazi yekelana abafazi fundani sebenzani yenzani imali yekelena abafazi ababaleki dog amaphathi yonke lento le ayisengifuna ukuba motivational speaker bafethu okay let me be a motivational speaker for few minutes bafethu ngicela ukunimotivate nje kancane nje umdala unangakhi age is just a number nje mina ngimdala nje uyangithola I'm older than what I look uyangibamba I'm old dog I'm older than what I look my mind dog it's gijima ukudlula ingcondo yomuntu omdala ndoda mina ngimdala dog uyangithola I'm old dog like I'm too old I'm too old I don't know how old I am I'm too old dog I'm too old nifuna enjani imotivation enjani ngitsheleni phela bro I'm trying to do content but I don't know where to start what do you think if you think something do it it's gonna fail some gonna do it yenza nje yami yenza into ecabangayo dog umcondo wakho yilento wena uyifunayo yenza into ecabangayo nifuna imotivation enjani bafethu ngiyakubamba yeah nje yami uyangibamba uniyangibamba wena mhlambe una 30 ngimdala ju just forget about the age just focus on how long I've been in the game uyadlala today ko yeah we're gonna sizoyidlala ikhodi ungawari we're gonna play it we're gonna play Call of Duty too hot I'm trying by all means ukuthi ngingaskip wa comment yabo bafethu by all means I'm trying by all means ukuthi ngingaskip wa comment ngizozama ukuthi ngizama ukuthi at least maningabhali English yengikhona ukuyifunda fast mara wakhuluma isiZulu si right mangisikhuluma mina hayi ukuthi wena usibhale ngisifunde mina uyangijwayela mos emfethu into ebhalile uzoyifunda wena emfethu English yengathi ingcono yabo mangiyifunda vele ngiyazi ukuthi yabo mara ngizoniphendula ngesiZulu mina si right mangisikhuluma hayi ukuthi nina nisibhale. Do you remember me? Where, mfethu, I do a lot of things, yabo. And I'm in a lot of different communities. I'm in a podcast community, gaming community, music community, music industry as well, yangithola, content creation, yonke le nyaka influencer, yonke le nto le. So manje umothi ngizokukhumbula kanjani nje yami. Extension 18 besenzana yabona mhlambe bedlula kuphi nendawo itsakane ethema eFoslorus eKatlehong which side or eMiddelburg where man, because we travel, we always on the road. Motivate me with December next month. That December leo nje yami. Focus on making money nje yami. Ngithola. Yenza imali nje yami. Lento ofuna ukuyizama isikhathi sokuthi uyenze uDecember. Yabo wonke umuntu la umuntu ahlele everyone when they're enjoying wena uspane nje, especially let me make an example. Let me say I'm okay, mina ngoba vele ngi content create awuthi ngenze i-example ngami as a content creator and I want to make money probably where on YouTube and probably I know ukuthi most of the audience ngoDecember bazobe bahleli phansi with their family, abaphumayo bayaphuma bayabuya, most abantu abasebenzi, so that's your time where for you ushoot upost same time. There's no resting ke lapho, shoot every day, post every day and tell me ukuthi you won't ayikho into zo change. Yeah, but if you want a game and you become a gamer and you are still at school, have fun by playing games and also streaming, make money. You will make money. Imagine if uyiqala manje riding by next year already unyaka, so uqala manje unyaka. Awuqali ngoba unyaka uyaqala manje, hayi uqala manje. Don't wait for ukuthi uqale ukuze kushawa ama cricket, kunuka icricket. Ungalindi ukuze kunuka icricket nje yami. Hayi wena Santoni, wena son. When are you playing code with your followers? Today, I always play every day. I always play with my followers. Yenze manje mfethu. I-advice if useskele nabazali bakho and una iPC and une PlayStation or whatever. Le mali leyo ukuthi wena ugazade namajita lama 200 lawa. Thatha le 200 or 300 uthenge i-capture card for ukuthi uqale ukustreama. If you have PlayStation probably, buy a capture card. It's a good investment. As investela, it's a good investment and start streaming, man. You will never know. Yabo, you will never know what's for you. While you are still at school, do it mfethu. Thina sikhonanga ukuyithuna. Ngcono nina nabazali abanibhayelayo ama PC nama PlayStation. Mina ngizithengele zonke lezi zinto lezo. Yabo, that's why into ezincane noma zizibuza ama advice like, "Mejobe mfethu iPC in kanjani?" Because zithengele, uzozithengela mfethu, uzibhayele. Abazali bazoloku around isalaba kubalela ushukela. Do it yourself, dog. Buy it. Stream and make money with streaming. Americans are making money, baba. Ngokustreama cabanga ndo twenza imali ngokudlala ama game. Ubani ongafuni mfethu. Yabo, akekho umuntu ofuna ukusebenza, dog. Ngisho kwa doctor, uye emsebenzini ucanga ukuthi uyathanda wona umsebenzini ovulana namathumbu. Uyenza yonke lenyaka la igulwani zonke ziyagula i-different mgulo amaphoyisa xa bayathanda ngemsebenzini laba. Ucanga ukuthi kumnandi ukusebenza ndo. Akekho umuntu othanda ukusebenza mfethu. Americans are making money, baba. We can, baba, sihlulwa yini? We can, dada. Already sesibambile social media la eMzansi. Sesishota nje ngokuthi yazi ungena lapha ku Twitch. YouTube nakhona, there are streamers that are making money. YouTubers are making money. There's an example with a lot of YouTubers that are making money. Yabo. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukusebenza mfethu. I-dream job wayikho lento leyo jo. Banamanga bayasikhohlisa isikolo nje siyasikhohlisa. Dream job, when I grow up I want to be a doctor. There's no such thing. Who's enjoying being a doctor, dog? Akekho. Mina vele ngifuna ukudlala ama game ngenza imali. Ngidlala ama game ngenza music ngenza imali. Ngiphume entweni enini. That's what I'm enjoying it. I love it. I love playing games. Every guy loves playing games. And only few ladies that they love playing games. Women are making money, baba. Americans women are making money. And not mina not ngidlala ama game for a living. Yeah. Bafethu. And ngifuna ningisupport yini yabo. Like because of why ngisho njalo. so that you guys can see the potential ukuthi neincosi zenu zingayichuna right in future. Uyazi ukuthi incosi yami man yazi ngiavoid isistrata awumbhayela iPC umbhayela igame pass yamagame adlala amagame mfethu. Mfundisi ukustreama dog. If uyambona ukuthi umuntu ongathi yabona a-stream dog. So mdala after a few months bafethu mina ngimdala ngiyanitshela ngisho ukuthi ngimdala nedi mina ngibona ngathi ngiyahlanya mangenza lama video wami la ku TikTok. Umsebenzi wami nawo lo yabo umsebenzi wami ukuhlanya kuyangibhadala yabo ngishaya ama video la ku TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Yabona ngithola isincanyana nami ukuthi ngikhona ukumaintain ilife yami yabo ngalo ngibusy ngihluphana negovernment nama 350 wakhe lawa angayenzi next aphela in one day in 5 minutes iphelile bafethu. Create ama opportunities. I mean I feel like I can there's too many opportunities bafethu. Yayibona masingayimela kahle le ndaba le ne TikTok nayo ngasibhadala bafethu. Masingayimela kahle yabona. That's why I always say ukuthi thina iyouth la eMzansi silele jo. Yabo imali ningi jo, just that ifuna ukuthi wena uyilande uyithathe. Ayikho into yamahala. Imali uyayilanda, you chase money chief. You work hard. Yabo social media has a lot of money jo yabo. So mina vele ozongiphaphela athi kimi jobe wena uhlalela social media kuphela wara yangibhadala mina vele yabo. That's what I do for a living chief. That's what I do. Ngiyahlanya for a living. Ngidlala ama game. Ngine podcast. Ayikho into engayenzi, ngino music, ngenza konke isikhathi sami. I'm still young dog. I'm gonna do everything. Ngasikudala ngizobe ngidrifta la, ningangijudge. Ngizobe ngidrifta enye into la. Ngithola ama cup okudrifta la. Yini yaza, mjoba ripa. Bafethu. Yenza yonke into, still young dog, still young. They are full of graveyard. Bebazitshela ukuthi banesikhathi esibhaya abantu ababhaya babhodile bazitshela ukuthi banesikhathi enough la emhlabeni. Ndoda yenza yonke into sibali. Yenza yonke into ndoda. Noma ningibona ngathi ku XX ningangijudge, ngenza imali bafethu. Ngenza imali, nyazama bafethu. Ngithola manje ngibona nithi hayi lo nokuna kanjani uye yimvele niyangazi ngiyiphanda bafethu, ngiyiphanda. Ningangijudge. Manje ngithola nangara I'm capable of doing it as long nginechankura dog. Angifuni ukulungihluphana negovernment nemisebenzi nani. Ngifuna ukuzenzela imali mina dog phela nje. Angivula isonto ningangijudge dog. Ningangijudge. Ngiyaphanda bafethu. Manje ngibona nangara ngilishaya, ngilidedela ningangijudge. Ngine potential nangali yabo. Iskill sami ngiyazi vele yabo. Akekho umuntu ongayithandi la iding bafethu. Cabanga uyenza imali vele uyazi ukuthi ushaya le yampahla le ngara. Machimbosi. Imali bafethu yabo. Because ugovernment akakhona ukusicreate ibhani like surely like they failed us. Youth yala eMzansi yabo. Yithi akekho umuntu ozosimela, mele thina sizimele dog. Yithi emele sizimele as youth yala eMzansi. And sibe serious izinto zingapheleli la ku social media nale people tinting le singayiboni seyiphelele la ku social media kuphela sifuna ukubona nangezenzo ukuthi actions, don't just talk here on social media and then ingenzeki. Siyayisupporta lento yenu ngiyangithola but sicela ukuthi ingapheleli la ku social media kuphela, ingapheleli la ku social media, siyenzeke bafethu. Next time masi display na youth bafethu asibize nama creator sonke iqalwe yithi zama creator la social media siphumeni. I feel like if I'm a content creator ngakhona ukuthi aphume a support lezi zinto lezi like ama movement lawo people lawo lento le people le GPV, ama content creator, if they can be able to support such, we don't have to. It's, at the end of the day if I ne youth mina I would campaign for free, I will make videos for free, campaign as youth sonke la eMzansi siphumeni sonke why we are campaigning dog. We will enjoy it while we sphethe ama phones siyashuta kumnandi lapha siyabatshela ukuthi hey into so njenga last we planned something as youth but it didn't happen yebo. And we hoped ukuthi ayazini sizovela rawa futhi shoot any content while simarcha senza yonke lento. I would love to be part of the march dog. Mina ngiyahlanya vele ngihlanya elihlanyayo jo yabo. Ngizomarcha noma bangangishange raba bullet jo, ngiyazi ukuthi vele youth sizoyilwela la eMzansi yabo. Vele dog, vele kahle. I would love to participate dog. I would love to be there. Mina manje ngibona vele indoda ngikhona vele ngiyayithuna. because I know abo sister bayasafara wonke umuntu uyasafara ndoda. Wonke umuntu uyasafara dog. Imisebenzi ayikho mfethu. Yebo. Isiphi isidingo sokuthi wena ufundele ukuba i-accountant knowing very well that you will never work. You're just doing it for the sake of qualification and yebo, so ayisebenzi nje lento le. Bayasikhohlisa nje abakhehla la wahleli lapha phezulu. Bayasikhohlisa ayikho indaba yabo. We need to stand, dog. Even as content creators, singajuthani kuphela ngokuthi because I know content creators baphila ngayo right ngle. There are things that they won't do for free, but for such things, man, you are melination, dog. Yebo. Siphumeni as a content creator, probably let's say 20 content creators, 20 big content creators, we are marching for youth, dog. And njengoba sithi sithatha from social media to image like serious siyaphuma siyahlangana endaweni ethize ePitori eJoburg konke le ndawo, dog. Nangithola siya campaign zikhale basithathe serious ingcondo zabo zizovuleka kahle. Yebo. The same way the same way labantu laba balapha phezulu they nabo babe young babe youth nabo bayimele South Africa. Nathi sohlulwa yini ukuthi simele dog. Akekho umuntu ozosivulela ama opportunities yithi kuphela esizoyenza lento. Amakhehla wayingeni nani yabona bayafa soon labantu laba basayingeni impilo yabo bayiphilile ndoda labantu. They don't give a shit, dog, about us. They are dying very soon, these people. They don't give a shit. So, selelekithi, dog. Nintwana, ngabi nomntwana ke mina wesiphathi yabo. Umntwana amozayo. Uzophila kanjani, dog? Uzophila kuyo yona le economy le yala eMzansi. Engakhona ukusivulela single opportunities, dog. Yabona imagine, dog, maba mfethu, iTikTok mfethu la eSouth Africa iyini, dog. Imagine masingaba ne-creator found la South Africa. Wonke umuntu angayenza imali. Wonke umuntu ndoda uyakhona ucreate content. Dance challenges aphuma eSouth Africa. Wonke ama-dance challenges amapiano aphuma eSouth Africa and everyone is participating. Aba ingco seyincane ziyaparticipate. Zina 1 million followers. They should be making money baba on TikTok. Americans are making money, making that money. Yebo. Minister of our culture what nakazi next ngale zinto lezi upromise kuphela ama opportunities ngabe imali mfethu enot bayenza imali mnota ama American TikTok ela eSouth Africa iyayideserve ama challenge wala eSouth Africa ama piano wonke aphuma la eMzansi. Besides ukuthi you being credited by the owner of the song, you should be making money baba. Yabo ukuthi and leyo mali leyo izowabhaya ukudlula nale 350 le yabantu kaya yona government lasinika yona le 350 akusinex bafethu. Nempuphu neshebo nje aziphumi. Impuphu ezokulasta imonth yonke nge350. But with content creation you can live if we can have that creator found like South Africa. We will make money, man. Because wonke umuntu uzicabangela yena but izinto eziso yabona eziso zizosiza wonke umuntu. Such as creator fund will help every single person. Someone with 5k or 1000 followers, as long as you are posting a video making money and you are monetized. You drop an EP. Nge 2021 man, we're dropping an EP. But isizoba mnandi bafethu yabo. But thina vele abodaki abasifuna emalini vele yabo. Ngeke ngikhulume ngeEnglish ngoba ngiyabazi vele mina vele bahlezi bangibamba bambili. Abodaki vele thina abasifuni vele emalini. La kunemali khona khohlwa. Creator found indoda yini yenza ukuthi singayideserve thina la eMzansi ke. Ebayideserve eAmerica namanye ama country. Ethina singayideserve and yini esiye the TikTok is big because of South Africa. Africa, in the whole Africa, they are participating in Amapiano. The whole Africa. Then the rest of the world, they are also, even Chinese now, they are making Amapiano. Njayam, what's the budget to build a gaming PC? I want to build one strictly for code. Yeah, with 10k, man, 10k you can build a good PC. Anjalo mfethu yabo le ndawo lezi bayazivala mfethu hey amara fok man hayi sinandaba nabo labantu abasenzela next kuyafana mfethu kuyafana it's numbers mfethu have you seen influencer yala I'm not angeke ngisho ngithi Africa yonke eyala South Africa kuphela unokuthola ivideo yase Nigeria ama South African nawo ngene indawo la but uzowathola dog it's bigger than most of the influence yase America influence yase America kusi next kula South Africa manje khuluma ngamanje I see next dog I see next yeah but the way even people they participate on social media it shows the way we have time to be on our phones because of we don't have jobs to be awekho ndo ama job opportunity nami sengiyacabanga manje ukuthi ngifuna ukuyoba udokotela mara ngiyacabanga ukuthi ifere ngiyofunda mara isikhathi sami ngiyoswestela esigela musa or ngifuna ukuyoba boma something angazi like I don't know because I'm not interested in those things vela ngifuna ukuba idoctor ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa let's say ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa mara kuba iphoyisa vela ihlupho ngoba vele nga-apply ngoba nginayo matric vele yabo mara lezi ezinye jo so yazi mfethu ukuthi ayikho nje lento le mina incosi yami mina vele ngiyifundisa lento engiyenzayo dog kuyofunda impilo engiphilile engenzela imali mina umfuni uzostream umntana wami uzostreama kuzoba istream uzodlala ama game until azabe mnandi uzoya esigela fede yabo but angifuni nje mina ukuletha umntwana wami yezozihluphekela la emhlabeni bafethu ngizomfundisa indlela nami ngihambile engisebenzele nami isigela ngisifundile nami yabo but ayisingiphulile inhliziyo bafethu isigela abaningi bethu la eMzansi siphukile inhliziyo vele isigela vele sisiphulile inhliziyo nemali abakaze babasifundise esigela imali vele imali ayifunde esikolweni ngeke uzoba iTax iSARS uyayazi wona uzoyazi the days oza kuwe mara esigela ukhe bakufundisa ngeSARS esikolweni. They don't teach SARS esigela. They don't teach money dog. Uzozwa nje ngawe seyiza kuwe because of uyayikolota. Uzozwa nje ngokuthi konke bathi iSARS seyiza nje ngoba seyifikile. Uzozwa ngayo seyila. How does this gaming content thing work on TikTok? On TikTok it's the same as amanye. The most platform important to gaming it's YouTube and ilentuza Twitch. Yiwo ama platform abhadala ama creator kahle lawo. TikTok right for ukuzipromote as a brand, ukhulisa brand yakho. And then yeah, if you are able to also move abantu from that side then yeah. But it's not easy because Twitch ayikafani TikTok ngisho. Ayifani nangale America. eAmerica vele bayazi mfethu abantu bayabuka. Mawungena ke streaming sakakhaya or speed manje. Uyothola ndoda labantu laba hleli boma 20,000 yabantu babukela istream salentwana leya. Ijima nje igijima nje lapha just by doing that. Yabo IRL it's called IRL live. So umntwana uveza lisho impilo yakhe ayiphilayo wenza imali by living life, making money by living his life. Ukujima nami ngavuka like let's say live manje ne again I will take you through my day ukuthi siyavaya probably siye emakoteni siyogawula amasuka siyogawula sinama activities probably sohlangana nama creator dlalwa ama game and all those type shit yabo. So yeah, ilezo zinto lezo abantu bayenza imali mfethu. Mawungena ku Twitch uzobona ama live ubona umuntu ageza izitsha ndoda mara ubukela abantu abayi 10,000 uzibuze ukuthi kanjani mfethu and wenza imali strong. That's why most ama artists ngale mabangena into gaming they will tell you straight artist uzothi nami vele mina artist yabo I'm a free kicks ndoda ngizowenzela vele for because of abantu abaku industry. Ngizwe iGrootman likhuluma lapha liphawula lapha lithi ama free kicks a benefita kanjani emfethu. Angeke ngisuse esitulweni sami ngistreama mina ku Twitch ngenza imali na ku YouTube at the same time and then ungitshela ukuthi ngizoyenza free kick. ngitshela ukuthi uzwenza i-free gig ndoda awu yangisukela ndoda sine social media manje exposure itholakala ku social media banganirobhi laba basekabi social media ndoda exposure uyithola ku social media hayi clubini uzoconnecta nama energy lapha into engekho hayi ngiyala mina hayi malini ticket for le event yange 16 wacheck la ku daying njami ku combi ticket 250 i daying generally and ayaphela ke nje yami for sure probably last week it was on 60% sold out so ayaphela man wacheck la wathenge vele nje uthenge kusese manje 16 nazi la there's social media now to urikriki wayisho kudala daying leyo and wayibona before way kudala uthi with social media that means you can get most yonke into yabo with free gigs you will go there and the money that you spend for your transportation and uvele ntwana nge16 dark ne event egroti ngayi ngizokusendela ipost and everything hayi ziyakhala njalo kingathi namajita sibulawa into one sitshela ukuthi we always waiting for the opportunities to come to you like let me make an example njengam music so cabanga mina sengilinde uBlack Coffee azongilanda azongisave ngilinde uBlack Coffee ukuthi azongirecognize if I'm not recognized by Black Coffee that means I'm not doing well. Do it baba, do it, post your work. Vice Spani dog baza kuthola ngendlela abakufunayo abangakufuni baza uzaloku uchubeka nawe ngendlela anamuntu ozokusave mfethu thina sifani nabo cherry thina majita sifani nabo cherry no one is coming to save us mele uzivukele uzenzele nje amamedi umuntu angavuka namhlanje bamshada ashadwe umuntu onemali yabo because the same way nami njoba the same way I'm working hard I know ukuthi by the time impilo yami iba grand ngiyazi ukuthi ngizozitholela umuntu ogrand nami engizomthatha kube umuntu wami thola ukuthi naye leyo umuntu loyo vele impilo yakhe vele ngoba uNkulunkulu umthandile and ufunile ukuthi abe nami yambola lucky for that person lucky for yena because uzowadla imali yami shini because yethu vele ngisho izoba iningi nami ngingakhona ukuyiceda vele kumele ngidle naye nabantwana bami because ngiyayisebenzela manje yabo ngiloko ngiyayihasilela le mali Medi abo cherry ungayi ngabo cherry mfethu cherry nga waste isikhathi sakhe like yabona manje they are 20s they can waste time on their 20s waste by grooving clapping doing all those things was funny nabo thina they are built different Viking ndoda Viking amgcina nini ndoda angaligcina nini niso sigebengu leso ngasigcina nini ngasigcina. There was a time I was shooting 2021 khona la bengishoot iskits nabo Godole nabo Viking ngamgcina lapho Viking ngamgcina 2022 khona la 2021 if I'm not mistaken Justice for Men too asipasupporteni bafethu asipasupporteni nathi sizobuya ngathi ngiyethu angisho supporteni abolento ungayenzi ngoba ubona bayenza nawe sabasupport mfethu support abantu besifazane mfethu let's support them nami ngizochange profile yami to people bafethu ama movement anje sengizocala kwa supporta nale eye youth nge mele sibuye reorganize futhi sibuyeleni futhi asikakhohlwanga ubona ngathi isikhohliwe asikakhohlwanga mele sibuyeni youth eninghethe kabi we need to come back and do that much me guys we need to I will campaign it that one if we come back again I will be part of it and I will campaign it because last time saphelele emoyeni bafethu ayishe ngaba disappointed Sapota nini bafethu? Mzaboraza. Njayami. Yabona mina abangani bami bayangivakashela chu. Abangani bami bayangivakashela chu. Njanya izokhala ngithi le yiyo le. Kambani njami. Ngena musifaka. Yeah, ifaka. Mina ngina remote ngivula ngedayide ngivula ngesandla chu. Manje ngivakashele vandaag bafowethu. Kambani njayami. Bheka imoto kamngani wami chu. Imoto kamngani wami. Imoto kamngani. Bafethu inja zami bafethu. Izwi inja yami madoda. Ba mwanaka. Mzaboraza. Achayisa amabonda lapho. Uphethu ex Dabi. Dabi. Bana. Izwa wena. Come back. Mayero. Ithi ngicimele live jo. Bengilive la. Yeah, bafethu ngizonibona ne. Khulekani ngivakashela amajimbusi njayami. Mfethu Dabi munne. Yarithunyana mole ko Call of Duty.